Hey everybody, this is Ben Needham-Wood, and I'm here with the new ballet dancers to teach you some choreography for a flash mob at Prom Night with the San Jose Museum of Art online. This is a really difficult time for a lot of people, and I want to be sending my support out there to all of you who are celebrating milestones in your life that are not panning out the way you planned. For me, dance has always been a celebration, and it's through dance that I have felt the most connected to the people I care about. That's why I'm so proud to be here sharing this dance with you so that we can all celebrate this moment together. All right, you guys ready to get started? Excellent. I am so excited to be here with you guys right now getting ready for this dance choreography. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. The first thing we're gonna do, standing nice and back, we're gonna make sure that we're feeling in a confident stance to start off. And the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna push our right hand up to the ceiling on a diagonal. So we're gonna push 1, then we're gonna do the same with the other side, 2. Now we're gonna go down to that left side and roll our arms twice, 3, 4. So those first 4 counts again, push the right arm up, push the left arm up, roll the arms. All right, you guys, so we're gonna start off from the top, pushing the right arm up to the side, 1, left arm up, 2, we're gonna roll, 3, 4. Or now left arm, 5, right, 6, roll, 7, 8. You can roll those arms whatever way you want. Just feel low and feel the bounce of the music in that moment. Let's do that combination just a little bit faster. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, roll, roll, left, right, roll, roll. From there, the next 8, we're gonna be sliding side to side. We're gonna go slide to the left, slide to the right, slide to the left, slide to the right. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And slide, 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 slide. Yes. Here we go. And right. Slide left. Nice. All right. From here, we're gonna drop down, we're gonna come back up, and then we're gonna brush the left shoulder up twice. We're gonna drop down, come back up, and brush the right shoulder up twice from there. So we had right, left, twice, roll, left, right, 2 times roll, we slide to the left, slide to the right, slide to the left, slide to the right. We drop up, left, left, drop up, right, right. From here, we're gonna kick the left leg, kick, we're gonna kick the right leg, then we're gonna send 2 arms up in front of us, crossed, and then we're gonna pop those knees side. And that's gonna take 4 counts. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Exactly. So right before this, we had drop, up, brush, brush, drop, up, brush, brush. We kick, kick, arms, knees. From there, we're gonna step out with that left leg. We're gonna step, and our body is gonna circle to the left. So that's a counterclockwise rib isolation circling around. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, roll it 2, left, right, roll it 2, slide left, slide right, slide left, slide right, drop it down, drop up, brush the left, drop up, brush the right, left, right, hands, knees, step, round, 7, 8. Good. Okay. I think we're ready to try this with some music. Here we go. Nobody does it better. Get ready to drop. New step, it's quick. Nobody does it better. Yes. From there, we're gonna stick the left foot out and we're gonna hit that right elbow high to drop it down. So we go 1, down on it, 2. Other side, 3, down on it, 4. From there, we're gonna roll the arms in 5, hit 6. We're gonna close the right 7, back, 8. So we just had our circle with the ribs. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to step, hit the elbow, drop. Hit the elbow, drop. From there, we're going to roll our hands left. We're going to compress it. We're going to hit the right elbow in on our side. Then we're going to bring it back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, drop, roll and close, right, right. The secret for that last 8, if it starts getting too fast for you in this part, the secret is just end here. So even if you miss the middle part, just get there, and then everyone will think that you did the whole thing just in your own way. From here, you have 4 counts to dance and turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then take the next 4 counts to just rock out on your own. So that entire 8 counts is up to you. Dance with it, have fun with it. You just got through the hardest part. 5, 6, 7, 8, so dance. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From where we just finished our little dance party, rocking out, we're gonna kick the right foot forward, we're gonna cross it over, and then step back with that left, but my weight is still on the right side. Then I'm gonna kick the left and do the opposite way. Left, cross, back. Do it again. Right, cross it back, and then left, cross, back. Here we go, from the top. Right arm pushes up. Here we go. Drop down. Hit, drop. And it out. Here we go. Good, everybody. From this position, we're going to drop back on that right leg. We're going to drop 1, 2, 3, 4 with those legs. So the legs go right, 2 legs, left, 2 legs, 4. From here, right arm's going to go down, low diagonal, 5, pull it up, and 6. So that was 5 and 6. We're going to roll 7, 8, 1. And that's going to be our last moment, is that jump and hit. So let's connect that all the way back to the very top. Whole thing from the beginning. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, roll for 2. Left, right, roll for 2. Slide left, slide right, slide left, slide right. Drop it down, drop up, brush the left, drop up, brush the right, kick, kick, hands, knees, step around. We have hit, drop, roll, and in, right, right, dance. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, kick right and cross. Left, kick right, kick left. Last 8, right, bounce, bounce, step, arm and drop, roll through, kick. Yeah. It can come closer than close, yeah. All right, you guys, we're gonna get it from the top. Here we go, right arm up. Let's hit it. Drop down. All right, get ready, fast feet. Nobody does it better. Yes. Awesome work, you guys. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. I hope you had fun. I hope you enjoyed the choreography, and I can't wait to see you guys on Wednesday for prom.